Alex Ayala improved her ranking by 1 place from her previous ranking number 51 and is now home to prepare for her upcoming campaign in the Southeast Asian Games. The 2025 tournament season was Ayala's most fruitful year, highlighted by historic wins at the French Open, US Open, and the most memorable one at the Miami Open. Last May, Alex Ayala made history on the day after becoming the first Filipina to win a Grand Slam main draw match in the doubles event. Together with her Mexican partner Renata Zarazua, the duo defeated Britain's Emily Appleton and Spain's Yvonne Cavalier-Renner 7-5 to 6-4 to advance to the second round of the women's doubles tournament. Alex Ayala also made noise in the US Open where she became the first Filipina to win a match in a Grand Slam singles event since the Open era was introduced. On August 25, Alex Ayala pulled off a massive comeback after clawing her way from a 1-5 deficit in the third set to shock Clara Tauson on Denmark 6-3, 2-6, 7-6 and 13-11 in the tiebreak. Ayala wrapped up her US Open start in the following round after a straight sets loss to Spain's Cristina Borja. But just like her French Open campaign, she left an everlasting impact on millions of tennis fans around the world. Her most notable achievement was in Miami, where she took down 3 former Grand Slam queens, Iga Swiatek, Jelena Ostapenko, and Madison Keys. Before calling it a year, Ayala advanced to the round of 16 in the Hong Kong Open, scoring a walkover win over Katie Boulter in the round of 32, 6-4 to 1. Although it was an unfortunate ending to what could have been an exciting second set, Ayala had already captured Boulter's number after scoring a break point in the opening set while leading 2-1 in the next frame. Ayala formally ended her run in the round of 16 where she squandered her early 1-0 lead to lose in 3 sets against Victoria Mboko.